The Richmond Area Arts Council will host a tribute to Kristofferson on Friday, March 28th. When Kristofferson passed away on September 28, 2024, he was cited by many as one of the most influential songwriters of the 1970s. He also had a successful career as an actor and was a major contributor to the outlaw movement in country music. They've assembled a group of talented musicians to perform songs spanning the length of his career. Tickets are $20 and are available at artsinrichmond.org under events or by calling 859-624-4242 or by visiting the Richmond Area Arts Center in their Water Street location.